to an event at Dragon Image in Artarmon. It's where I get a lot of my camera gear. We are going to meet Mike Toia. That took like 6 times just to say that one sentence. I am
A lot of the reason why I wasn't doing this vlogging stuff is because I was scared of it not matching up to the same quality as my other stuff. If you're telling a story, you don't need to worry about the quality as much if it's not going to be for a client. So I don't care about framing, I don't care about any of that. Let's just practice like Matt Diavella says and just make things. I was spending so much time being paralyzed worrying about what other people would think that I just wasn't making anything. I am breaking through the excuses today. So I'm going to be pretty late now. There's a car, he's loading up stuff, and he's blocking the car park. He hasn't even given me eye contact, so I'm pretty sure he doesn't give a shit.
Alright, made it to the event with my little baby cameras. I wonder if Jason's coming. I'm kind of nervous to bring all it in because it looks...
To the left-hand side, is it
The Mark Toia talk just finished. Have the one thing on my task list to do, so I'm going to see if I can do that now. Oh, it's recording video. It's going to do that right when I'm next to it, but yeah.
used to generate it all?
A few moments later.
Sweet, I got a picture with Mark Toia. I'm so glad I went to it. Like, so many things are going to happen out of this. And if not, maybe I just suck. Sick! So glad. Alright. Well, that was a good day. I will see you guys in the next one. This is actually the first one as well, so I'm glad I filmed it today. So thanks for watching. I don't have any audience right now, so you're going to be going through the process of listening to me speak better to camera. It's going to take a while, but at least I'm practicing now. Alright, see you guys later.